Okay, so our next topic is how to get the LCD or the least common denominator, which is very essential in solving for the addition and subtraction of rational expressions. So, but before we start, okay, let us define what is, uh, let us define some important terms. So, what is the first term is the least common multiple. It's a set of numbers which is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by all the numbers in the set. Okay, pag nagbigay tayo ng mga numbers na na hindi siya part ng denominator or wala siya denominator, so it is called the least common multiple. Pero pag nagbigay tayo ng number tapos part siya ng denominator, it is called the LCD. This two or more rational algebraic expression, it is the least common multiple of all the numbers. So, how to solve the LCD? Okay, so the first step is sulat natin. Identify muna natin ang denominator. The denominators of 12x and 4x. So, natin 12 natin. 12x 12x and 4x. Factor natin ang 12x. The factors of 12x ay 2 times 2 times 3 times x. And the factors of 4xy are 2 times 2 times y. So the first step is kunin natin muna yung mga common. So, tapos they will be counted as 1. So, ito ng common ay 2. Yung pangalawang common dito ay 2. Ito ay 2. Then, so wala nang common. So, the next step is, yung hindi naman common, ibababa lang natin. So, this is 3. Tapos, baba natin ito. This is x. And this is y. Baba natin ito. Okay. Then, simplify natin. Siguro po natin ito. So, the LCD is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 times x is 12x times y is 12 x. So this is the LCD for this one. Okay, next. How about number 2? Given is 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 25 and x minus 3 all over x squared plus 8x plus 15. So, what is the LCD? So, the first step is identify natin ano muna yung kanyang mga LCD. Okay. So, yung unang LCD is x squared minus 25. Reason na natin. Tapos, yung pangalawa is x squared is 8x plus 15. Okay. Then, factor natin. The factor of x squared minus 25 is x plus 5 and x minus 5. The factors of x squared plus 8x plus 15, yung unang factor niya is x plus 5. they notice na ina-align ko na. Then yung pangalawang factor niya is x plus 3. Okay, notice na ito inalign ko, pero ito hiniwalay ko kasi hindi naman siya kaparehas nitong x plus 5. So, kunin natin ang common. So, the first step is identify the common term. So, common sa kanya is x plus 5. So, x plus 5. Counted as 1. Tapos, ito, ibaba natin. X minus 5. Tapos, ito ibaba ulit natin. X plus 3. So, therefore, the LCD of x squared minus 25 and x squared plus 8x plus 15 are x plus 5, x minus 5, and x plus 3.